Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you what is the best way to make money online. Yeah, I know there are different ways in which you can make money online, different possibilities, but what is actually the best way to get started. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, we both know that if you're watching this video, it's because you want to make money online. Yeah, there are different ways in which you can make money online, doing drop shipping, promoting your own product or service, tons of ways, but what is actually the best way to get started and who I am, what I'm telling you when I'm revealing you what I consider the best way to make money online. Just in case that you're not aware about my story, I started to make money online back in 2007. At that time, I was blogging. I have a really successful blog network. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person I had a bad time. I was forced to sell my blog network. I have to go back to the 9 to 5 because this person, get a lot of credit cards under my name, even take a loan under my name. So it was a disaster. So, I was depressed, I was down, I was, paying these loans and credit cards that I never use. But at the end of the day, the banks, they don't care. If everything is under your name, you are the one who needs to pay. So I passed from being a successful online entrepreneur to be on a regular 9 to 5. A lot of struggles. But it's not just about the money. It's the fact that you have a lack of confidence because you don't want to, to be dealing with these kind of things. And whenever you are under a lot of pressure and stress, you prefer to avoid certain circumstances. But 2 years ago, by the way, on the time recording this video is 2020. So on 2018, I decided, to go back to an online journey, not to make extra cash, but to have an online business. Again, I have previously experienced with drop shipping. I had a successful drop shipping business. Actually, I was doing great, but to be honest, it was really stressful. The profit margins aren't that great. Yeah, the concept is amazing. Like, okay, you're gonna be selling this product that you're gonna pay, $10 or $15, and you're gonna charge people maybe $50 or $60. Yeah, the profit margin sounds amazing, but if you really want to grow and scale that business, you need to put money on ads. Okay, so as you can see, the profits is in that much right now. And if you're really serious about that type of business model, you need to hire people. Yeah, because you need to be dealing with customers, so you need to have customer service. What about if people want to process a refund? Yeah, you are not the one who is shipping, the product. So are you gonna get it back? Are you gonna return it to your regular supplier? How people are gonna take care of that? You need to know, like, what's the payment processor that you're gonna be doing. If the person, for some reason, they do not accept PayPal, but they do accept other payment methods. If you want to move to a place to another in order to put out like the order. So there are several factors, and to be honest, that's not for me, and I don't consider this business model like for a lot of people because of that. The profit margins, in theory, they sounds great, but there are other things that you're gonna learn through the route. Okay, so the business model that I suggest people to start with is actually affiliate marketing. The main reason is because you are not going to be wasting time creating the product or the service that you're going to promote. Okay, but you need to understand that this is a high quality product. You don't have to deal with customers. You don't have to take payments. And it's a great way in which you can make passive income. Okay, before I get further about this, let me show you some of my results, because I want you to understand that hey, what it can be possible. And okay, here is it. The first one, as you can see here, I have my earnings. It's over $40,000. And by the way, I cannot show you all the details about these accounts, because for the privacy policies of every single program, I cannot be doing this. Okay, so I have 40,000 here. I have 24,000 here on this other program. Yeah, 12,000, almost 13,000. And to be honest, I'm about to get another payment, so I already passed this $13,000. And last but not the least, here over $1,000 with this program that I just started not so long ago. So as you can see, it is possible to make money online with affiliate marketing. I'm not showing you this to brag, but I'm showing you this so you can understand what is actually possible. Okay, you don't need to invest a lot of hours to make money with affiliate marketing, but you need to be consistent. Okay, you need to be consistent and you need to be taking action. Basically, affiliate marketing is something like this. Here I have PC, which is potential customer. Here I have the product, and here I have the marketer or the middleman. And before you are like, oh my God, yeah, that sounds amazing, but I'm not a salesperson. I don't want to be selling anything to anybody. Don't worry, you don't have to be selling anything. You just need to be referring people to a product or service that you know they might be interested. It's gonna be solving their problems, and that's it. Let me put you an example. Let's say that you want to go to the movie. So you're asking everybody like, hey, what did you watch during the weekend? I don't know. What's the favorite movie? What's the movies that are available? Because I want to have a great time. So a lot of people are going to give you suggestions about the movies that you can go and watch. And you're going to choose the ones that you prefer. That's it. No one is convincing you, to take action and go and watch that specific movie. The same if you are, you're gonna have a date with a special someone and you're asking like, hey, I want to take XYZ person to a restaurant. Depending on what are you looking for, right? Your budget and your location, people are gonna give you some restaurants, right? Like, hey, this one is great because of the seafood. This other one is great because, I don't know, they have live music, right? So they're not selling you that. They are just referring you. Like, you have a problem. The problem is that you don't know what movie are you going to watch, right? You don't know what is on the theaters right now. You have another problem, right? That, hey, you know that you want to go to a fancy restaurant, maybe a fancy restaurant, who knows, right? But you don't know what's like the best choice. So people are referring you, and chances are that you have referred a lot of people to a lot of things, but you never get paid. So this is basically what affiliate marketing is. You find a potential customer. These persons, they might be already aware of the product or service, but they want, to have an extra opinion about someone outside of the company who is selling the product. And that might be you. So you're connecting the person who already know the product or service they want to buy with the product or with the company or, that is offering the product or service. Or you might find someone who they know that they have a problem, a situation that they want to solve, but they don't know a product that is going to fix it, right? They know the problem, but they don't know how to fix it. So you're going to teach them how to fix it, and you're going to suggest in the product that you use it or the service that you use it to fix that situation, right? So there are other scenarios in which there are people who they are not aware of the product or service. They don't know that they have a problem, but if they do see any specific ads, they relate to that situation, or they remember that they do have a similar situation, and they can understand that it's possible to solve it. Okay, so these are the potential customers. Again, you're not going to be closing the sales. That's not your job. Your job is to take that traffic, and by the way, traffic, it's people that are interested in what you have to offer or what you're offering, right? Maybe they are not aware that they need it. Maybe they are aware of it, but they don't know, how to take the next steps to order it. Different scenarios, right? But you're gonna take that traffic and you're gonna let them know, like, hey, here's the solution. Use my link, to get the solution, and you're gonna get the commission. Again, you don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with payment processors. You just refer people. Okay. For some of you, the numbers that I show are great, are amazing. You're going to be like, wow, Diana, she's a super affiliate. But I want you to understand that this can be taken to the next whole level. There are companies that are doing this and maybe you are not aware. For example, we have Uber, right? Chances are that you already take a ride with an Uber driver, or maybe not. But you know that Uber connects people who needs a ride to drivers, right? Someone who owns a car and he or she is available to take them to the destination, right? They don't own cars, but they're a great transportation company. The same with the Uber Eats. Again, they are gonna find customers. In this case with Uber Eats, it's people who are looking for restaurants, but they are not want to go to a restaurant. They just want to have some lunch. They want their food to be delivered. And they do have products or services. In this case, are these restaurants that for some reason they don't have the delivery service. So they're the middleman, they're the marketing. Hey, I have these people, they're hungry, they really want to eat right now, right? And I have these other restaurants, right? All these restaurants who are able to give you the type of food that you are that you're looking for. So they're actually the middleman, the marketers. The same with Airbnb. They don't own a property, but they can give you, accommodation. Like if you're looking to rent a bed, a bedroom, a house, an apartment, a penthouse, So it's actually the same. Hey, we have these people who are about to book a trip to a certain city or country, right? And we have these people, they own properties. They're willing to rent them, but they don't want to take care of anything. They just need to the traffic, the people. So Airbnb is the middleman. And again, hey, I have these people. Well, I have these properties. And the same with a popular one, which is actually Booking, right? Booking is actually the same. They don't own like an airplane, they don't own cars, they don't own, apartments or hotels, but they connect people that they're gonna trap, right? They need accommodation, they need someone who take them or pick them up on the airport and everything. So this is exactly the same. So you're gonna be doing this with affiliate marketing. And here's my offer, okay? If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online and you're serious about learning about this, a way to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. This is just for action takers, because the whole idea that you understand this concept, but you're not taking action, you're not going to get any results, okay? So if you're serious about this, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. So if you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone you think he or she might be interested about this content. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.